Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, my first secondary grade students, I am Mr. Sharif Mahmoud and I am very happy to be with you. Today we are going to talk about infinitives. There are two kinds of infinitives, full infinitives and bare infinitives. طلابي الأعزاء إن شاء الله درسنا اليوم عن الانفينيتيفز أو المصادر. يوجد نوعان رئيسان من المصادر: full infinitives المصادر الكاملة، و bare infinitives المصادر المجردة. Let's start with full infinitives. We use the full infinitive to plus base form of the verb in 6 cases. Number 1, to express purpose. For example, I am going to the supermarket to get some fruit. Another example, I went to the post office to post some letters. Number 2, after certain verbs such as want, would like, would love, hope, decide, manage, plan, arrange, advise, choose, learn, offer, promise, afford, agree, expect, seem, forget, teach, need, try, and tell. For example, I haven't managed to find it yet. Another example, I want to drink tea. Another example, I would like to meet you. Number 3, after it plus be plus adjective. For example, it's difficult to explain. Another example, it was great to see you after such a long time. Number 4, after certain adjectives such as afraid, surprised, free, happy, ready, sorry, pleased. For example, are you afraid to ask him? Another example, I am happy to be with you. Another example, I am sorry to come late. Number 5, after to and enough. For example, you're too young to stay out late. Another example, I am strong enough to carry the books. Another example, Larry is too tired to go jogging today. Another example, it isn't warm enough to go to the sea yet. Number 6, after question words such as who, how, what in direct questions. For example, do you know how to get there? Another example, I don't know what to do. Let's turn to bare infinitives. We use the bare infinitive base form of the verb without to in 2 cases. Number 1, after modal verbs. The modal verbs are can, could, will, would, shall, should, may, might, and must. For example, could you give me a glass of water? Another example, you must visit the doctor today. Number 2, we use bare infinitives after the verbs let and make in the active voice. For example, she makes me study all the time. Another example, the teacher lets me go to the bathroom. Let's do this exercise. Number 1, he let me space his phone. A, use. B, to use. C, using. Yes, the right answer is use. Before the space, we see the verb let, and let is followed by bare infinitive So the right answer is use. Number 2, I want space out now. A. Go. B. To go. C. Going. Yes, want is followed by full infinitive. So the right answer is number B. To go. I want to go out now. Number 3. She decided space early. A. Sleep. B. Sleeping. C. To sleep. Decided is followed by full infinitive. So the right answer is number C, to sleep. She decided to sleep early. Number 4, they can space English well. A. Speak. B. To speak. C. Speaking. Yes, can is a modal verb, and we know that modal verbs are followed by bare infinitive. So the right answer is number A, speak. Number 5, I am happy, space you. A, C, B, to C, C, saying. Yes, happy is an adjective, and we learn that adjectives are followed by full infinitive. So the right answer is number B, to C. Let's revise our answers. Number 1, he let me use his phone. Number 2, I want to go out now. Number 3, she decided to sleep early. Number 4, they can speak English well. Number 5, I am happy to see you. Goodbye and good luck. With best wishes, Mr. Sharif Mahmoud. See you soon.